Hello, America. This is Mark Hale with Wilson Print Marketing Tip of the Day. Today, I want to talk to you about new customer, new patient, new client welcome kits. Welcome kits can be a very important tool to cement the relationship between a new customer and your business. So it has a couple of different styles and types of welcome kits. They can be as simple as a letter and an envelope, with maybe a brochure in it, or it can be like a pocket folder with an insert pages stacked in the folder and the business card. You put coupons in there for other services that you offer. We do a lot of welcome kits for like dental offices. We even do them for legal firms, landscapers, heating and air companies, chiropractic offices as well. So they have lots of uses, but the main purpose of the welcome kit is actually to welcome that new person to your business, and then also inform them or educate them on some of the other services that your business offers. So welcome kits, they're a tool. Not many people use them anymore. We've kind of gotten out of it. You need to use more of them. If you need help designing them, we can help you design a welcome kit.